Okay, so in this one, we've been told that there's a box which has 4 yellow cards and 6 red cards, and we're choosing 3 at random, and the important thing is that it's without replacement. So once we take it out, it's gone. It's not going to go back in, so the number of cards will go down, because once we take one out, if we've started with 10 cards, one goes, we'll only have 9 cards. And we need to work out the probability that the first 2 cards are yellow and the third card is red. So if the first card is yellow, the chances of getting a yellow at the start would be 4 out of 10. So we've got 4 yellow cards and 10 cards in total. Once we've picked out that yellow card, we then need to get a second yellow card. So if we're picking out a second yellow card, we'd only have 3 yellow cards left because we've already chosen 1 yellow card, and there'd only be 9 cards left in the box because we've picked one out. And finally, we need the final card, the third one, to be red. So the probability of getting a red after we've chosen these 2 would be 6, because we've still got 6 red cards in there out of 8, because we've now only got 8 cards. We've picked 2 out, so we've only got 8 cards left. So we want this one and this one and this one. So we're multiplying them all, which is going to give me 4 times 3 is 12, multiplied by 6 is 72, over 9 times 9 times 8 is 72, multiplied by 10 is 720. And you can choose to simplify that down, it doesn't really matter, to 1 over 10. And then we need to work out the probability that at least 1 card is yellow. So if we think about this, there are lots of different possibilities. So we could have red, 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 yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, red, and then we could have yellow, 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 red, yellow, red, red, and yellow, red, yellow. So these are all the different combinations that we could have. We could choose them in these orders. And the only one which doesn't have a yellow card in, because I could work out the probability of each of these and add them together, but that'd take an awfully long time. So the only one that doesn't have at least one yellow card is this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the probability of picking out 3 reds and take it away from 1, because all probabilities add up to 1, and it'll tell me the probability of all these different ones happening. So the probability of a red, and a red. Well, the first time that I pick out there'd be 6 red cards in there out of 10. And the second time that I pick one out, I'd only have 5 red cards left out of the 9 cards left in there. And the third card that I pick out would be 4 red cards left out of a possible 8, which is going to give me 6 times 5 is 30, times 4 is 120, and 9 times 8 is 72, times by 10 is 720. And I'm just going to simplify this. So I've got 120 over 720, which is the same as 12 over 72, which, if I divide the numerator and the denominator by 2, would be 6 over 36, which is the same as 1 over 6. So this is the probability of choosing a red, and a red. So I've got 1 in 6 chance of getting a red, and a red. But I don't want the probability of getting this. I want the probability that I'd have at least 1 yellow, which is all the other options. So to work this out, I'd do 1, take away a 6th, which is 5 over 6. So that would be the probability of choosing at least 1 yellow card.